There's so many things. Last year was our very first successful garden. Oh God. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. A lot of tomatoes. We had cucumbers, which I love cucumbers. Love cucumbers. We tried to grow celery. Didn't work out. That one did not make it. Lots of lettuce. So that was fun and yummy. Food always tastes better when you grow it. This would be better on the ground, but we're not doing that. I think we got it, boys. Ben's coming. I'm not ready yet. This is not working. I'm doing it on the ground.
I'm gonna have all the weight on the